The AI agent scene has felt like a messy street brawl for months. New contenders jump in every week shouting, "I do everything," and then promptly gas out before the first round is over. And yet, out of nowhere, yesterday a serious heavyweight stepped through the ropes. DeepAgent, Abacus AI's brand new generalist that lives inside chat LLM teams, have been dissecting the launch footage for the past day. And look, this thing isn't another demoware quick fix, it's more like plugging a full-stack teammate straight into your browser. Here's the setup. Chat LLM already acts as a single dashboard over 23 different language models. GPT-4o Mini for nuanced reasoning, Claude 3 Sonnet for verbose drafting, Gemini Pro 2.5 for code hints, DeepSeek v3.1 when you need ultra-precise autocomplete, Grok for lightning retrieval, Llama when you want open weights, the whole zoo. On top of that, Abacus ships Code LLM, an IDE extension that feels like Cursor after a quadruple espresso, and App LLM, a one-click generator for web or iOS apps. DeepAgent lands on that foundation, so when you launch an agent run, it can silently route parts of the job to whichever model excels. Grok for search, GPT-4 for planning, DeepSeek for TypeScript without you babysitting the handoffs. Pricing is refreshingly sane. For $10 a month, you get Chat LLM Teams plus 2 full DeepAgent tasks. Think of a task as one end-to-end mission, regardless of how many subtasks hide inside. A higher throughput Pro tier is slated to roll out roughly a week from now, but the entry plan already costs less than a movie ticket. That fee also unlocks a slick perk. During each run, you can tap Show Computer and watch a sandboxed Chrome instance materialize, complete with a Linux-style terminal pane. It's basically pair programming with a synthetic coworker who narrates every click and curl command. Of course, great power plus fuzzy instructions equals chaos, so Abacus posted a cheat sheet of prompt hygiene rules. Step 1. Describe the task in crisp conversational language, no need for pseudocode, just specifics. Step 2. Front-load any follow-up answers, dates, format, style choices so the agent doesn't waste cycles interrogating you. Step 3. Name your output. If you want a PDF, say export as PDF. If you prefer a live HTML site, call it out up front. The tighter that opener, the faster the agent rockets to the finish line and the fewer minutes you burn of your 2-tack allowance. All right, now let's walk through the highlight reel Abacus dropped during launch, because these runs show just how broad the skill set is without leaning on gimmicks. One clip hands DeepAgent a single-sentence brief: create and solve a Sudoku puzzle, then publish it as an interactive web app. What follows is a blur. The agent spins up a React scaffold, auto-generates a clean 9x9 board, codes a backtracking solver in TypeScript, pipes Tailwind for styling, bundles with Vite, and hot serves the result. The finished page lets you click any cell, flags conflicts in red, and even offers a hint toggle that reveals the next logical move. No copy-pasted GitHub gists, no clunky iframe. It's full source code written on the fly. In another run, the agent is pointed at a team's Jira Cloud endpoint and asked for a weekly issue dashboard. It authenticates via OAuth, yanks JSON for the last 7 days, and dumps counts into Plotly charts. Bugs in red, features in blue, chores in gray. The agent then stitches those charts into a single-page site, adds a text search box for ticket IDs, and deploys the bundle on an Abacus staging URL. From "here's the Jira link" to shareable dashboard clocks under 5 minutes, and you can actually hover each bar for exact ticket numbers. Travel planning sometimes feels like the final unautomated frontier, yet DeepAgent tackles it head-on. One recording hands it 7-day luxury trip to Bali for 2 adults in late June. Boutique hotels, private drivers, scuba on Nusa Penida, sunrise trek on Mount Batur, daily costs, PDF itinerary. The agent fans across half a dozen booking APIs, scraps current room rates in Seminyak and Ubud, logs ferry timetables, bundles WhatsApp numbers for local guides, then compiles a spectacular day-by-day document, embedded maps, cost breakdown tables, even weather averages for each locale. Anyone who's lost a weekend to Expedia tabs knows how absurd that time save is. Corporate folks still live and die by PowerPoint, so the next demo is telling. The brief: create a slide presentation comparing GPT-4o Mini, Claude 3 Sonnet, Gemini Pro 2.5, and DeepSeek v3.1 on MMLU. GSM 8K and inference speed. DeepAgent scrapes the latest academic leaderboards, snaps the score tables, drafts 25 ultra-clean slides, plants speaker notes with disclaimers about context windows and temperature settings, and exports both a Google Slides link and a downloadable .feptx. I've seen entire analytics teams spend days handcrafting that kind of deck. Tech writers, brace yourselves. Another run asks for a detailed technical report on multi-component protocol, MCP, pitfalls in distributed systems, complete with citations, diagrams, and Rust code samples. The agent scours ARSC for anything post-December 2024, summarizes 3 new papers, generates sequence diagrams in Plant UML, writes compile-ready Rust snippets demonstrating race conditions, and stitches the lot into a PDF complete with table of contents and working hyperlinks. All delivered in roughly the time it takes to brew a French press. A lighter showcase tells the agent, launch a book club web app with pastel gradients where users can RSVP, vote on next month's pick, and chat in a simple thread. DeepAgent scaffolds a Next.js front end, drops in Supabase for auth and storage, builds a voting component using optimistic updates, wires a chat box with live WebSocket push, and pushes a deploy link. It even slips in a dark mode flag triggered by CSS variables, the sort of UX polish you'd normally add in Sprint 2. Email remains the productivity tax we all pay, so the final recorded run gives the agent control of a Gmail workspace and says, review yesterday's inbox, summarize threads needing response, draft follow-ups, queue them for 0900 tomorrow. DeepAgent parses message bodies, tallies 6 outstanding conversations, whips up polite replies in your tone, schedules the sends, and returns a bulleted digest of total emails processed, minutes saved, and a sentiment score for each drafted message. In short, Inbox Zero as a service. A common thread across every clip is transparency. The show computer view means you can literally watch the browser open Safari Books Online or Eventbrite, view network calls, see NPM installs scrolling by, and drop in if a CAPTCHA blocks progress. When an endpoint rate limits, the agent logs the error, pauses, and waits for a hint, new token longer back off, before proceeding. That ability to supervise keeps DeepAgent from feeling like a black box that silently fails. There are practical guardrails as well. 2 runs per month on the base plan means you're forced to craft surgical prompts instead of shotgun attempts. And because 1 run can chain 20 substeps, research, code, slide deck, email, you can squeeze a shocking amount of work into each allocation if you outline it clearly. Basically, think like a project manager. Bundle related deliverables into 1 well-phrased paragraph, declare outputs, and let the agent blitz through them while you sip espresso. On the flip side, sloppy briefs get expensive fast. Forget to specify the file type, and DeepAgent will pause mid-slight to ask, chewing up runtime tokens. Skip the date range on that Bali trip, and it might circle back asking early or late June. Each exchange tallies against the quota. The good news is the learning curve is shallow. After 2 or 3 reps, you naturally start front-loading the critical details. Essentially, DeepAgent folds whole workflows into 1 click. That Jira demo replaces Friday CSV drudgery. The Bali itinerary kills the TripAdvisor tab maze. The benchmark slide deck appears before leadership even asks. Because it rides ChatLM's multi-model backbone, it automatically picks the best LLM for each step, no vendor lock-in. The upcoming Pro tier should raise run limits and add scheduling, so agents can pull fresh benchmarks every Monday or auto-draft client decks each Friday. Abacus is already teasing deeper hooks. GitHub PRs, Notion updates, even spin-up test VMs, so momentum looks real. Bottom line for 2025, success shifts from coding speed to prompt clarity. Outline the goal, constraints, and output, and DeepAgent does the rest. Usually faster than you can make a sandwich. Want in? Head to deepagent.abacus.ai, use the 2 starter runs on a tough task, and see what happens. Worst case, $10 for an interesting failure. Best case, you win back your weekend and get a sneak peek at how work will work next.